Princewell Martin of Jamaica College in lane 7 could threaten the 50-second barrier as well.
Set.
So here they go for a super final that is expected. Taja Neil Gordon gets a good start. Jackson from Calabar is there. So to Miller on the outside for Calabar. In the middle from Herbert Morrison, that is Smith. Fourth in this event last year. Miller from Calabar on the outside going well. Smith from Herbert Morrison has work to do. They will swing around the bend. Miller is out. Miller from Calabar is out. On the inside, Williams from St. George's College has the lead. Inside in lane number 1, it's Harris from St. Jago. Hoffman from Excelsior coming forward. He goes by Smith. Hoffman will get it. 50.95. 50.97. Excelsior have done it again.
A reputation for delivering when it comes to the 400-meter hurdles at Champs. And he delivers.
You can see what it means to him hitting his chest there, just saying, you know,